Welcome to the Python Flask course, where you will learn how to make web apps with Python. My name is Frank, and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career as a software developer, and I've been programming for over 15 years. I've taught thousands of students worldwide. I designed this course for anyone seeking to make web apps with Python Flask. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create web apps with Python Flask, you'll be able to use the SQLite database, to style your apps with CSS, to use an Object Relational Manager, to use create forms, use cookies, upload files, and many other cool stuff. We'll be teaching you how to make web apps with Python Flask. We'll cover all the basics like routing, templates, and all the other stuff. But not only will we do that, it includes a software project so you can learn at your own pace. It includes all the code you need. So do you want to learn Python Flask? We'll walk you through the entire process step by step. The ideal student for this course is an existing Python programmer that wants to expand on their current skills. You only need to know the Python basics to get started. Feel free to look through the course description.